Exercise 1. Traffic at Britain's main airports. You will hear about passenger traffic at Britain's main airports from 1990 to 1993. Listen to the tape and write down the figures in the correct column.
Manchester Airport is the third largest airport in Britain. In 1990, it handled about 10.1 million passengers, and in 1993, the number of passengers increased to 13.1 million. In 1990, Glasgow Airport handled 3.9 million passengers, and in 1993, the number of passengers had risen sharply to 5.2 million. Birmingham handled 3.5 million passengers in 1990, and in 1993 the number of passengers was 4.2 million, not a big change. At Edinburgh Airport, the number of passengers was 2,005,000 in 1990. But 1993 it handled about 2,009,000 passengers. At Newcastle Airport, the number of passengers were 1,006,000 in 1990. In 1993, this airport handled 2,001,000 passengers. In 1990, Bristol Airport handled 8,000 passengers. In 1993, the number of passengers had increased to 1,001,000.
Look at the notes and listen carefully to me. We use percentages when we want to express a number more simply. Percentages means the number of X per 100. For example, there are 50 students in the class, and if 25 of them are boys, we can say 50% of the students are boys. The percent is said after the number. 20%, 26%. We can use percent with decimals. 7.02%, not 0.51%.